Hi, good day to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. We are here again. I'm Wenda George in LORETO Cooking Studios in Berhad. Today we are preparing spicy burrito. It's a spicy fusion burrito, and let me introduce you with the ingredients. It's super easy to find anywhere in the market. And here I have this, the tortilla wrap, chopped onion, okay, and then the chopped cucumber. I cut it into dice, as well as the chopped tomato, some crab filament, the spring onion, and of course the chili padi and the limau kasturi, green apple, the cheese, and then actually this one is the fish pate that you can follow us in our first video of the crispy fish pate, crispy fish burger. This one, yeah. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let us start to cook this recipe. First of all, okay, we need to put the butter in. Okay, it's about 1 tablespoon. Okay. You control the fire. And then after that, you put in the onion. Okay, the chopped onion. Okay, and then you put in the chopped tomato, all of it. Don't forget to have fun while cooking, but make sure the safety first. Put in some oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. This is spicy fusion burrito that you can prepare at home, and it's super easy. And you can sell it online or offline. Then I use the crab filament. I chop it like this. Okay. Put 1 teaspoon or 3 pieces of chili padi. According to your preference, you can add on if you like. And some calamansi juice or limau kasturi. Put about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Chopped cucumber, turn off the fire. Okay, put in the the fish pate, which I cut into cube. Then I put in some fresh green apples. Mix it all like this. Sprinkle some green onion and the cilantro. Okay guys, let it set aside and let it cool for a few minutes before we fold the burrito, yeah? Okay. I have 3 wraps here. So I'm going to preheat the grill for a few seconds before I grill this wrap, okay? To make sure it's become soft and to improve the texture actually. Okay, it goes like this. Okay. Actually, we can preheat inside the microwave oven. If we don't want to preheat in the grill pan, we can use the microwave. Yeah. Okay, just a few seconds. Okay, control the fire. Now it's time to wrap our spicy fusion burritos, and we have the burrito wrap here and our filling, and we have the cheese and also the mayonnaise. Okay, first of all we assemble all the ingredients and you put like this, and you spread the mayonnaise on top of the wrap like this. Don't forget to have fun while you're preparing this. You put in the filling, about 2 tablespoons. But I like 3 tablespoons, no problem, yeah? Okay, and then you assemble it like this. And you take 1 cheese and you cut it into 2 like this. Okay, fold it. Okay. Second one. Okay guys, here's our spicy fusion burritos. Now we are going to test it. Okay, let's have a look. What's inside there? Okay, let's have a try. So yummy and refreshing with the fresh ingredients inside. And I hope you enjoyed it and watching our video. And see you again in the next video. Bye bye.